Introduction. Before we start to look at the different techniques and strategies which we can use to win at chess, let's first understand what chess is all about. Chess is played between two players on a chessboard. The chessboard is a square checkered board which has 64 squares arranged in an 8x8 grid as shown below. Both the players are given 16 pieces each, 1 king, 2 rooks, 1 queen, 2 knights, 8 pawns, and 2 bishops. Each player alternately moves 1 piece at a time. The aim of the game is to checkmate the opponent's king. Checkmate is a position in which the king is under immediate attack, i.e. check, and there is no move available to defend it from attack on the next move by the opponent. Chess is played worldwide. There are many tournaments held across the world, with Chess Olympiad being among the most important of them. World Chess Federation's handbook is followed during most of the tournaments. Now let's look at the basic chess rules and the movement of the pieces. How to set up the chessboard. You need to follow 2 simple rules for setting the chessboard. Number 1, the rightmost corner square must be white. Number 2, white queen should be placed on a white square and the gold queen on a gold square. Below is the picture of a board with rows marked as numbers and lines, columns as characters. You need to understand the formation of the board as it is used to record the player's moves. Here, D line is the horizontal line going up and down. Lines are represented with the characters from A through H. Vertical line marked with black as 6th row is the row as shown in the picture above. Rows are also known as ranks. When writing down players' moves, there are shortcut names that can be used for the pieces. Rook, R, Knight, N, Bishop, B, Queen, Q, King, K, Pawn, nothing. Recording a move can be performed easily by appending the horizontal alpha character to the vertical numerical character. For example, if the pawn at E2 moves to E3, as shown below, the move would be written down as E3. As shown in the image below, the knight moves from position B1 to C3. The notation will be NC3, meaning the knight moved to column C and row 3.